So Stoney decides that he's going to teach me how to ride a bike and that I don't need training wheels. He's just going to hold on to the back of the seat until I get my balance. And the next thing he does is he just gives me this massive shove and I go flying.
How old were you?
I don't know, I was like 6 and I crashed straight into the old Hills hoist and I snapped the thing in half.
Well, clearly you've got no natural talent on a bike.
Hey, Nellie's still asleep.
Oh, wow, 2 hours.
Yeah. Hey, Erin.
Hi.
Kat, I mean, you've obviously met Jared, and I'm Sonia.
Hi. I knew you'd be early. You're looking pretty good.
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I really am.
Yeah, better than the last time I saw you.
Well, look, I'm going to put the kettle on. You should you go, sit down. Yeah?
Hope you haven't been waiting long.
Not really.
You always were an early bird, weren't you?
Yeah, I guess so.